Hello there, kiddies. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pirate Cove. Come one and all and enjoy all the fun new games. Using the competition, you can come on an adventure and help me plunder the loot from that scallywag Freddy. But be careful. You don't want to get too close to my hook. I might accidentally poke you with it.
Maybe even gouge an eye out.
Also try the brand new...
Maybe I'll gut you and stirring out your intestines. I was responsible for the birth of 87.
Maybe I'll tear into your throat
and eat away until your head is severed.
So take my hand and follow me to a land of excitement.
As I rip you into pieces.
Oh, it'll be so much fun.
Thanks for watching, everyone. God, that took forever. Jeez.